Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video you're going to learn how to create this creative heart shape in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing to do is to go to your toolbar right here, and this time around you have to click and hold down. Make sure you choose your rectangle. Having choose your rectangle, you have to come to the workspace and draw your rectangle this way. Then always come to the rectangle property, and then for the width right here, make sure you type in 447.14. Then for the height, make sure you type in 698.87. And press enter on your keyboard. So you're going to have something like this. Next thing you need to do right here is to go back to your toolbar right here, and this time around click and hold down and make sure you choose shape tools. Having choose shape tools, you have to press shift key on your keyboard and select this node, then drag in this way. Then you have to come here also and press shift key on your keyboard and select this node and drag in this way. So you are going to have a stop. So next thing you need to do is to go to degree right here, and at the degree center, make sure you type in 45 degree and press enter key on your keyboard. So once you are able to make it into 45 degree, next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl C to make a copy, then Ctrl V to paste. So the duplicate one you have to rotate to mirror vertical, so you are going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to click and hold down from the home tab here and make sure you choose virtual segment delete. You have to press hotkey on your keyboard and drag to delete this, hotkey and drag, then hotkey and make sure you connect this. So you are going to have something like this. So next thing you need to do is to press shift key and select the second shape and come to the home tab right here. Make sure you click on word. So it's become a single object. So next thing you need to do is to come to the line width and make it 10 width. And then you have to come to the style, line style, make it dot. So you are going to have something like this. So next thing you need to do is to come right here, right click on this color, the cyan color. Then the next thing you need to do is to press shift key and drag in to make it a smaller one and place with your right click. Next thing you need to do is to right click on this color, okay. So you have a outline blue color or so. So next thing you have to do here is to come down right here, click and hold down. This time around, make sure you choose your blend tool. Having choose your blend, then you have to blend this particular shape all together. So you can come to the blend property from the home tab right here and type in figure 400 and press enter. So you are going to have things like this. So you can press shift key and drag to increase the size of the heart shape. Then you can press P to centralize. So this is how you can create a simple heart shape step by step in corelDRAW tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.